time is 4:42 a.m. and I am on the way to Cornwall to get my Illumination Pack fitted. You're probably wondering, why on earth was it not fitted when you collected the car? Well, I got the car that early that the dealer didn't have enough time to actually get it all fitted and done, and apparently it's quite a big job to get the Illumination Pack all sorted
at the
in this car.
roundabout, take the third exit on M6 towards the South Birmingham.
Now, hopefully the roads are not actually busy. I've got to be there, you know, I'm always late. I've got to be there when the dealer opens, and it seems like I'm not going to make it until 9:30, given I have to fill the car up with petrol, because this car only has a range of 220 miles on a full tank, and I've got 300 miles to go. Quite a long way. Anyway, let's make it on to the motorway, and we've got average speed cameras. Great. Yep, that's exactly what we needed. I thought this is actually a great opportunity to discuss what it's been like with this car after driving it 2,700 miles. And I feel like, to be honest, I feel like I'm the only one that's put in a great drastic amount of miles on a car like this in the UK, because in the owners group chat, people are just only saying they've only put 500 miles on, and it's been like 4 months, which is kind of scary, but who cares? Who cares? We've got to enjoy the Honda Civic Type R whilst we have it. Now, I'll just pop some pictures up of what the car looks like prior to the Illumination Pack, and then towards the end of tonight, when it's all installed, I'll show you what it looks like. Now, I'm not too sure how much of a drastic change this Illumination Pack is going to be. It's about a £1,100 option, but what's included in that pack is you get door illumination right here, under seat illumination, and cup holder illumination as well. I'm not too sure you get the Type R emblem puddle light. We'll figure that out. We'll find that out later on tonight. But I'm kind of excited. I'm not too sure how it's going to turn out. You guys will know as much as me in this situation. Anyway, as for driving the Type R, it's been amazing. Like, it's not a neck breaker for people. It's just a case of, if you know the car, you know. I've had a few people behind me take pictures of the car when I've stopped at some you know, lights or something like that. But it's crazy. Everyone just loves this car. You either love this car or you don't know what it is. And also, I got a lot of stick for that launch video saying that this car was slow. Honestly, it's not a launch car, nor the 60 car. It's a track car. But you know, I'm a straight line type of guy anyway, so you know, maybe I've gone for the wrong car. As for trips, modifications, I was speaking to Paul and Claudio from Carditude yesterday, because I've got my front end PPF'd, the bonnet in the front bumper, which costs about 900 quid. It is XPEL self-healing PPF as well, which is, it's really cool stuff. It's probably the best in the market if you want to use PPF. And yeah, that's all sorted. I'm happy that the front end's protected, so I could take it to Germany and not worry about stone chips hitting the front of the car whilst you go in about 300 kilometers per hour. I've also ordered a Dream seat cover. Now, for the 10th gen Civics, there's actually a seat cover that looks like this. I'll pop it on the screen right now. Well, that looks pretty sick, if I'm honest with you. I may, hopefully, if they come out for the FL5, I'm not too sure if they have, but I'll definitely be purchasing that and returning the Dream one, because I think that looks pretty sick. In terms of gas mileage, going American, in terms of my, fuel economy, I'm getting about 30 on the motorway now. It used to be about 23, 24 with the early braking stage. It's actually kind of weird, because it randomly just switches one day and you get better fuel economy from, you know, the braking process to when the car is just running normal, fully normal. Yeah, interesting process to see, for sure. Ooh, squeaks and rattles. That's another thing that I've noticed. A lot of people are mentioning squeaks and rattles from that side here. Am I the type of guy to be bothered by that? Yeah, sometimes. You could hear it now. I could hear it. There's a rattle here somewhere. There's definitely a rattle in this seat. I mean, it's not Audi quality, put it that way, with the Honda Civics. The date is Saturday 25th of March, and I know I was supposed to catch up with you guys yesterday after leaving the dealership, after installing the Illumination Pack, but honestly, I was that knackered that I couldn't string a sentence together or even talk properly. But the Illumination Pack has been installed by Tom down at Rose Honda, and it's looking hella good. Now, I didn't think I was supposed to get the puddle lights, the Type R puddle lights, but I do. As I was saying, we get Type R puddle lights right there. A new light just in front of the seat, so you can see when I put my hand there. Yeah, so that's brand new. The seats had to come out for that, and it does add a lot more illumination at night. There we go. You can see cup holders light up. That's also part of the Illumination Pack, and you get a light on there in the storage unit. And I feel like I'm kind of forgetting something. Am I forgetting something? Anyway guys, I'm gonna end the video off there because it's getting late. I'm still knackered from yesterday. That long old drive killed me off. I think it was combined 10 hours drive, and I left with, let me just double check right here. I left with about 2,800 miles, and I'm now on 3,300 miles. So I've covered a lot of distance over these 2 days, and I need some rest from it all. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, queries, modifications you want me to install, I will think about it. Let me know in the comment section down below. Send me a message on Instagram, and yeah, I will definitely get back to you. I'm actually thinking of buying the Mugen mirror caps, although they are stick-on ones, which kind of annoy me. I'm still gonna consider them because they look pretty freaking dope. Anyway, I'll end off there. Thanks for watching. See you next time.